Welcome to ST Auto Car, where style meets the street. Today, we're diving into a luxury van that doesn't just carry passengers, it delivers an experience. Meet the 2026 GMC Savana Limousine, a bold fusion of classic American utility and elite-level comfort. If you ever imagined what a business jet might look like on wheels, this might be it. From the outside, the Savana Limousine carries its iconic van silhouette, but this 2026 edition brings a commanding presence with a stretched wheelbase, deep-tinted panoramic windows, and a redesigned grille that adds a touch of modern refinement. Sitting on custom 20-inch chrome wheels, it has that road boss energy. You can tell right away, this isn't your average airport shuttle. Now step inside, and this is where the magic really begins. The interior is where GMC has thrown in every bit of luxury you can imagine. We're talking about a spacious executive cabin with plush leather reclining seats, mood lighting across the headliner, and genuine wood trim throughout. There's a 55-inch ultra-wide smart TV up front, a premium surround sound system, and even a built-in minibar with ambient LED accents. You can literally have a meeting, a party, or even a nap, all in the same ride. And speaking of rides, comfort isn't just visual. This Savana Limo rides smoother than ever thanks to its enhanced air suspension. It glides over bumps like a luxury sedan. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust 6.6-liter V8 engine that delivers over 400 horsepower. That means even with a full load of VIPs in the back, you've got serious pull. GMC also offers a diesel option for those prioritizing long-haul fuel economy. Now you might be thinking, what about tech? GMC didn't hold back. The driver cockpit features a digital dash, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and an upgraded infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's even a rear cabin touchscreen controller for passengers to adjust lights, climate, entertainment, and privacy settings. Safety's no joke either. It includes front and rear parking sensors, a 360-degree camera, lane keep assist, and automatic emergency braking. Whether you're the driver or riding in the VIP section, you're wrapped in tech that keeps you confident and protected. So who's this van for? Business executives, celebrities, travel companies, and even families looking for something extra for those long road trips. It's like a private lounge on wheels. And with full customization options, think custom stitching, flooring, ceiling stars, or even game console setups, it becomes anything you want it to be. Here's a quick highlight of what makes the 2026 GMC Savana Limousine shine. 6.6L V8 with 400+ horsepower. Air suspension for ultra-smooth ride. Luxury executive cabin with 55-inch smart TV. Rear cabin climate, lighting, and media control. Built-in minibar and premium sound system. Full suite of safety and driver assist features. The 2026 Savana Limousine isn't just transportation, it's a rolling statement of power, comfort, and class. Whether you're running a luxury fleet or living the high life yourself, this machine brings the experience to you. Thanks for watching ST Auto Car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon, because we've got more dream rides coming your way. Catch you in the next one.